structure and function. Nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm together form the human respiratory system. To understand about how each of these organs contribute in the proper functioning of the respiratory system, let us discuss each one of them one by one. Nose. Respiratory system and respiration begins with the nose. The air which is inhaled through the nose is filtered with the help of hair and mucus present in the nasal cavity. Pharynx. Food pipe and windpipe both originate in the pharynx. Windpipe is present in front of the food pipe. There is a lid-like structure at the beginning of the windpipe. This lid closes the windpipe during passing of food into food pipe and thereby normally prevents the entry of food particles into the windpipe. Otherwise, the windpipe remains open and the inhaled air passes through pharynx into the windpipe. Trachea. Trachea, simply called windpipe, is swollen at the beginning at its anterior region due to the presence of sound box, that is larynx, and goes down through the neck region into the chest. It bifurcates in the thorax. One branch enters the right lung and the other into the left lung. Lungs. Lungs are present on either sides of heart in the thoracic cavity. Maximum area of thoracic cavity is occupied by lungs and they cover the maximum part of heart. Each lung has double-layered covering. It is called pleura. Lungs are elastic like a sponge. They are made up of many small compartments called alveoli. Rich network of capillaries is present around each alveolus. Walls of alveoli and capillaries are extremely thin. Gaseous exchange can easily take place across these thin walls. As large number of alveoli are present in lungs, larger surface is available for gaseous exchange. Let us discuss about this function of lungs in little depth. Exchange of gases in lungs. Gaseous exchange occurs in lungs continuously while blood is circulating around the alveoli. An iron-containing protein, that is, hemoglobin, is present in the RBCs of blood. Hemoglobin absorbs the oxygen from air within alveoli. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide and water vapors move from blood into the alveoli. Thus, oxygen is taken into the blood and carbon dioxide and water vapors are removed from the blood and given out by exhalation. Diaphragm. A muscular partition is present at the base of the thoracic cage. This partition is called diaphragm. It is present between the thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Simultaneous rising of ribs and lowering of diaphragm causes decrease in pressure on lungs. Due to this, air moves into the lungs through the nose. When ribs return to their original position and diaphragm rises up, the pressure on the lungs increases. Due to this, air is exhaled out through the nose. Continuous upward and downward movement of diaphragm is necessary to bring about breathing.